How does a follow-on work? Have you ever wondered how a follow-on works in cricket? This rule can change the course of a match and is an important part of the game. Let's break it down. In cricket, the follow-on is a rule used mainly in test matches and other first-class matches where each team bats twice. It is a strategic option that comes into play when the team batting first has a significant lead after the first innings. Here's how it works. After both teams finish their first innings, if the second team, known as Team B, scores much fewer runs than the first team, Team A can ask Team B to bat again right away. This is called enforcing the follow-on. The main goal is to give Team A a better chance to win the match quickly by making Team B bat twice in a row. However, there are conditions to enforce the follow-on. The match must last 5 days or more. Team A must lead by at least 200 runs after the first innings to have this option. For shorter matches, the required lead is less. It is 150 runs for 3 or 4 day matches, 100 runs for 2-day matches, and 75 runs for 1-day matches. The captain of Team A decides whether to enforce the follow-on. They consider factors like the pitch condition, weather, and how strong their team is. If the follow-on is enforced, the sequence of innings changes. Instead of Team A batting again, Team B bats for their second innings right after their first. Enforcing the follow-on can put a lot of pressure on Team B. They need to perform well immediately in their second innings. This rule can also shorten the match and increase the chances of a result, especially if the pitch is getting worse or if the weather is not favorable. However, some captains may choose not to enforce the follow-on. They might want to give their bowlers a rest or set a very high target for Team B to chase. Interestingly, there have been rare occasions where teams forced to follow on have come back to win. These moments show how unpredictable cricket can be. In summary, the follow-on is a tactical rule that allows a team with a big lead to make the opposing team bat again immediately. It aims to speed up the game and create a result in longer matches. The decision to enforce it depends on the lead margin and the conditions of the match.